So we're gonna explore the top 10 reasons why joining a writing group or finding a writing partner can be a benefit to you. So let's just jump right into that. Number one, feedback and critique. It provides valuable feedback and critique of your work. Number two, support and encouragement. Number three, learning opportunities. And then number four, networking. And I say that networking doesn't necessarily mean business ventures. It just means making friends. You are going to find people in here who may become your best friend for life because you have so much in common with them. The internet has opened up the ability to make friends from all over, and in doing that, you literally you can become and find your new best friends. Number five, accountability. Regular meetings, checking into the group, monthly workshops, different things like that, like we have in ours. It's really important because it helps give you this sense of accountability. No one's judging you if you take a month off. Okay, I might judge you a little bit and say, I don't want to see you take 2 months off, because then you're giving up on yourself. But that's as far as that's going to go, because we do have the accountability of saying, make sure you're staying on track. Make sure you're where you want to be. It's not where I want you to be. It's where you want to be. So as long as you're where you want to be, then life is good. Number six, increased productivity. It really can, because of the energy staying engaged, you can get more done in a shorter period of time. Number seven, skill enhancement. And, just because by osmosis and learning and seeing what other people are doing, you will get better. Number eight, idea exchange. Having a group is that platform that allows the brainstorming and the synergy, the exchange of ideas. Even if you say, gosh, let me see. I'm just going to throw out a random idea. Let's say your story is about giving a child up for adoption. And let's say there's someone else who has a story about giving a child up for adoption too. You guys would make amazing writing partners, because even though each of you have your own story, the thoughts and the journey could potentially be very different. There's so much that's alike as well. And that idea exchange really can help. And then number nine, fresh perspectives. Let's stick with the two people who have the child that they gave up for adoption. Even though the reasons might be different, in getting to know each other's story and each other's reasons, that fresh perspective is something that really might strengthen your story and theirs. And then number 10, friendship and fun. That's part of why we're doing this. You're going through a year of reflecting over your life so that you can, remind yourself that if it sucked here, it didn't suck the whole time. But you're also doing this because you want to see the fun that you've had in your life. You want to feel and relive some of those good times. And then with a writing partner in a writing group, you get to share casually and just comment and maybe put a paragraph or two of your story into the Facebook group on a post and just see the kind of feedback that you get. That support and that friendship is just it's something that we all need in our daily lives. We all need to know that someone is out there rooting us on and that they have our back. And it's just a very important aspect. So don't try to do this alone. Understand that a writing group is something that cannot be replaced. You can have multiple writing groups, and I'll tell you, I have some that I pay for. and then I have some that are free, some that are fanfic based and fiction based and memoir based and all these different things. And I don't even interact in a lot of them because I found the ones that mean the most to me, and of course my own. And you don't want to stretch yourself so thin that you forget what you're there for. So keep that in mind. Start with one, I don't know, 1 to 3 groups, and just kind of see where you vibe. And that's what I will recommend. And if you are already in the I Remember When project, please make sure that you, and the links will be down below, that you are in our groups, because we are there to support you through your project. All right, we will talk to you soon.